Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Aswin Gunasekar, and we are Zedo, and we are working towards making your world of EEG better. I'm honored to be here, and firstly, thank you to the Epilepsy Foundation for having us here. I'm excited to give you an update on our progress and also talk about our future plans briefly. And I look forward to hearing the exciting Shark Tank presentations that are coming up.
And do it without the stress of last year?
Of course. I'm not nervous now. So to refresh your memory, Zedo, we won a $150,000 award, winning both the Judge's Choice and the People's Choice Award last year. I remember distinctly, this was in San Francisco, I was sitting in the last row. As the voting results were coming in, the suspense was so high, I clenched my colleague Zoltan's hand so hard that he jumped out of his seat. He's okay now, but in hindsight, I do want to say that that got the ball rolling for us. That validation was so critical that we were able to raise money with investors and also hire great talent, so thank you. Hi, I'm Aswin Gunasekar, and I'm the founder of Zedo. We at Zedo are transforming the way EEG is done in hospitals. EEG, or electroencephalography, is an important assessment technique for conditions such as epilepsy, sleep disorders, autism, stroke, and traumatic brain injury. Yet, it remains as outdated and tedious as it was first performed over 100 years ago. It consumes time, requires a trained technician, and puts the patient through a poor experience. Our solution is simple. Get rid of all the old stuff like the wires, the amplifier box, and the elaborate preparation, and replace it with a wireless, zero preparation dielectrode headset. Just the setup and removal for a routine EEG test takes about 1 hour today. With our product, it should take just a few minutes. And all this works seamlessly via the cloud, making access and interpretation of data easy. Here is our headset. No skin prep, conductive paste, or wires needed. With just a few band adjustments, it fits to the head. Once the bands are set, the electrodes can be placed as per the 1020 EEG system. Our patent-pending headset and sensor technology make it literally that simple to use. And within a few seconds of donning, we have live medical-grade EEG. Here's 19 channels of live EEG display via our cloud. Here's repeated eye blinks that shows up as peaks on my forehead electrodes. Now I will show you some jaw clenches. Let me close my eyes and generate some alpha. Our system has been benchmarked against a clinical EEG system, and it showed over 95% correlation for various cerebral recordings. We provide every feature that current medical EEG systems provide, such as live video, photic stimulation, ECG monitoring, and external inputs, all packaged neatly in a beautiful headset. No wires, period. We are working towards getting FDA clearance in the near future and look forward to changing the way EEG is done and making the lives of millions of people just a tiny bit better. Thank you. That was a lot of hard work. Dr. French, Dr. Fountain, they called us fondly dry electrodes, but we're a little more than dry electrodes. That was 15 months of intense hard work, and I'm glad we are able to showcase it again at the Shark Tank, because this is where it all started for us. In today's world, it's not just EEG acquisition that is broken. Data sharing and remote interpretation is also broken. And our solution to all this is our Wear, Share, and Diagnose platform. At the heart of it is a convenient, comfortable headset that's made to do routine EEG from ground up. Data is instantly transferred to the cloud via Wi-Fi. A clinician can open any computing device, desktop, tablet, smartphone, laptop, and look at live EEG or analyze previously captured sessions. So you get all the tools and bells and whistles that current EEG systems will provide. And in the not so distant future, we want to offer interpretation service by neurologists. Our platform will not only help hospitals do more routine EEGs, but also improve the productivity of clinicians, physicians, and technicians. Hospitals are only limited by the number of headsets they have, in terms of doing routine EEGs per day.
And talking about technicians do not love sifting through hair, marking electrode locations, applying conductive paste, and sticking each one of those electrodes to the patients either. With our product, they can use their time much better now. They can do things that are much more productive. And talking about physicians, you can sit on your couch, take an iPad, and read EEG. It's going to be that simple. And finally, we also offer, by choice, if the physician wants, they can read EEGs from other hospitals as well. So the possibilities are endless. Our company is a cross-disciplinary team of electrical, mechanical, and software engineers and neuroscientists. We have innovated across circuits, headset design, software algorithms, and we have several patents pending on each one of those novel innovations. So our IP position is pretty strong. So this is my extended family who I have the pleasure of working with every day. Gentlemen, if I may ask you to come over here and also show our headset. We have Gabba Braun, our CTO, Janusz Kokovecs and Ferry, our electrical engineers, and Zoltan, our neuroscientist. There are more people here that couldn't be with us, but they help us make progress every day. And we're happy to demo the headset outside like we did last year, show you live EEG via Wi-Fi and all the good stuff. We're also led by a team of very accomplished leaders. Dr. Robert Fisher from Stanford, most of you would know him. Mr. Bala Balachandran, he's an ex-CEO of NeuroCare, a former EEG equipment company. And Gary Menzel, he's an EF board member himself, just to name a few. The future looks bright for us. Our product is ready, and now we are preparing for our 510(k) submission. We're also getting ready to conduct more clinical trials at Dell Children's Hospital, Austin, Texas, and at UVA with Dr. Mark Quigg. We are raising $500,000 more to accomplish these goals as part of Series Seed. Investor demand is very encouraging, and we're excited. Post that, we will raise a Series A round of $8 million to fund commercialization and get to cash flow positive. Obviously, we still need your help. We'd love to take your money. We love angel investors like you more than we like VCs, but we don't tell that to the VCs. So if you are interested in investing or if know of anyone who might be, please come talk to us. And also please come talk to us if you want to try out our product pre or post FDA clearance. I know there is an FDA gentleman here. I'm not making marketing claims. I'm not trying to sell prior to FDA clearance. These are accomplished people, and I would like to get your feedback. And finally, most importantly, we would love your feedback to improve our product. It's your thoughts and perspective that really help us bridge the gap and actually provide a better solution. I liken my company's personality to that of an eager beaver. We are driven, hardworking, and we never give up. So we are hungry to make a difference, and we won't stop until we do. And thank you for your patience and your attention, and I'm happy to take questions.
I thought you were going to have EEG just scrolling. You said any screen, right?
Yeah, we can actually play it on smart TV and stuff, but given the 10 minutes, I wanted to use it wisely.
All right, so afterwards,
Yep.
in the back, I know that you will be waiting for people to demo it to them. I know that last year, Nathan said it would, can you remind?
I said if you stick that on my head right now and show my EEG, I'll fund this myself, jokingly. He stuck it on my head and showed me my EEG. Unfortunately, 3 other people with checkbooks ran up behind me to give him money that I don't have. At least that's my recollection of it.
So there you go. Thank you so much, and congratulations.